Hi everyone, my name is Swaroop and I work as a community lead at OPrimes. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we're going to talk about how to accept the project invitations and the bug creation process. To start earning from anywhere with the flexibility of the OPrimes, all you need is just a device like the one you are using right now. You can tell about yourself and the devices that are available to test with, and we will send you the project invitations based on your OPrimes profile. There are variety of projects for all the experience levels, even if you have never tested before. So yeah, once you have been invited for a project, you will receive an project invitation notification via email. Once you are invited for a project, then you will need to log on to app.oprimes.com with your OPrimes credentials and sign into your OPrimes account. Once you are signed in, here you can see the invite section. I currently accepted the invitation, so there are no invitations yet. You can click on the view button and accept the invitation, and once you accept the invitation will appear under the the project section. Once you accept the invitation and it appears on the project section, you can click on the view project to know more about the project. Under the overview section, you can see the total number of bugs reported, total number of approved bugs, total number of rejected bugs, basically the whole overview regarding the bugs. You can see under the overview section. Here you can see the wiki page. Wiki page is basically the project page where you can find all the details related to the project. You will need to go through this wiki page carefully and before you start testing, so that you will get a proper overview regarding the app or the website you are testing. Here you can find in scope, out of scope, duplicate bugs if any, or known issues any. You can find all the details here. You can find the project guidelines, general guidelines. In the general guidelines section, you can able to see the bug format. Here you can see the bug format, device model, OS version, app version, location, and bug summary. It is important to follow the general guidelines or the bug formats and the description while reporting the bugs, because they vary from application to application. So it is important to read through before you report any bugs and all. In the reference section, usually you can find the links of the application or the website, and under the attachment section you can find any supporting material that help you while testing the application or the website. Here you can see the bug section. You can see all the bugs that are reported by the other testers, and here you can see the create a bug option. Once you click on the create a bug option, it will ask for the title. As mentioned in the wiki page, you will need to follow that format while giving the title, and you will need to mention the bug description. In bug description, you will need to mention the network speed, location, and then the reproduction steps and the actual result, and also the expected result. Under the attachment section, you can mention any screenshots, videos, logs, and all that kind of attachments can be added here. You will need to fill out these details as well. If it's an bug or enhancement or proposal or task, you will need to select these options based on the the bug that you found, and you can find the severity of the bug. You can select the option based on your best abilities, and you can select the component, whether it's an payment page or login issues. You can basically select that from the component section, and under the reproducibility, you can select if the bug is only reproducible once, sometimes, or it's reproducible all the times. You can select that here. And under the category section, you can select the category of the bug, whether it's a functional bug or usability, performance, and you can select the category from here. And you can able to select the device here. Once you can simply type in your device and select the device that you found the issue on. So this way, by clicking on the create a bug, the bug will be created. This way a new bug can be reported. Once you add your bug, it will appear on the top. So yeah, this is how you create a bug on our platform. And under the survey section, once currently there are no surveys allocated. If it was allocated, again you will receive an email saying you have been allocated with a survey for this particular project. And once you are allocated with a survey, you can see the survey here, and you can click on the view and fill out the survey and submit it again. So basically this is how it works. This is how you can report the bug, submit survey, and go through the project and all. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, you can always reach us at team@oprimes.com. So yeah, thank you very much.